Hello and welcome to Toshiba. Today I'd like to talk to you about Toshiba Cloud Client Manager, TCCM for short. This presentation will give you an overview of Toshiba Cloud Client Manager and its main features. So what I'd like to do is show you how to log into Toshiba Cloud Client Manager. So this is the login screen. You can work with any web browser, and what I shall do is just log in with my username and password. Like so, click login, and this will take me to the administrator's console. From here I get a dashboard and an overview of Toshiba Cloud Client Manager.